Now, guys, let's talk about Genesis. Let's talk about Genesis and Felicia's performance. Listen, proof that you are a black mom without saying anything. Felicia gave us black mother. Oh, Sana, I felt those slaps. Like, I know. I was so convinced because these are real slaps right here. Okay, this is a slap. When Felicia found out that her bonke had a boy in her house, she lost it. She was like, umfana kwami. Like, what do you even mean? Umfana kwami ungenaphi kanjani? Like, how? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Yeah, guys. Felicia really gave us the big mom performance on this episode. Tell me why I've just seen this episode. Tell me why. But anyway, as soon as this happens, she also finds out that Bonko is back with Maruna. And listen, that's almost sent her to her grave. Felicia almost went to her grave. Like, she was so close into seeing heaven. Like, she was so close into seeing heaven because she was just like, what is happening in this house? Like, someone needs to tell me. Someone needs to come here, explain, why are my children behaving this way? Why are my children doing this and that? Why? And where have I failed? Where have I failed with these children? Because clearly I have failed. You know, something is not something. I honestly loved how Bonke also is down, you know, humble, down to earth, and was apologizing to her mom. Not only was she apologizing with her mom, when Felicia got her stroke, Bonke was very much sympathetic. Like, you know, she just felt like maybe it's her fault, maybe she shouldn't have done this and that, and maybe she shouldn't have brought the boy, you know, that this is like, it could be her fault, you know, she could be the problem. And I'm like, girl, that's the way to go about it. That's the way to go about it, okay? Feel sympathetic, and probably your mom will feel sorry for you, and this whole thing will be wrapped. Because I want it wrapped. I want it wrapped as soon as yesterday, as soon as today. I want it wrapped, okay? But yeah, guys, can we just, because I've been seeing people saying we should give Wendy her flowers. I've been seeing people saying we should give Wendy her flowers, but I'm just like, let's give Felicia. Let's give Felicia the performance that she gave us with this whole thing. Like, say you are a black mom without saying you are a black mom. Say you are a black mom without saying you are a black mom. Oh, Felicia, my babe. Felicia, my darling. You're